औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 120 वलन तरदा अन्नकल यहूदा वलन नसारा हत्ता तत्तबिअ मिल्लतहुम कुल इन्ना हुदल्लाहि हुवल हुदा वला इन तबअतु अहवाअहुम बअदल्लज़ी जाअका मिनल इल्म मा लका मिनल्लाहि मिन वलिय्यिन वला नसीर. English translation of this verse: And never will the Jews or the Christians approve of you until you follow their religion. Say, indeed, the guidance of Allah is the only guidance. If you were to follow their desire after what has come to you of your knowledge, you would have against Allah no protectors or helper. Word-to-word translation of this verse: Walan, and never, Tarda, will be pleased, Anka, with you, Al-Yahudu, the Jews, Wala, and not, An-Nasara, the Christian, Hatta, until, Tattabi'a, you follow, Millatahum, their religion, Kul, say, Inna, indeed, the guidance, Allah, of Allah, Huwa, is, Al-Huda, the guidance, Wala, in, and if, Attaba'tu, you follow, Ahwa'ahum, their desire, Ba'da, after, Allazi, what, Ja'aka, has come to you, Min, of, Al-ilmi, knowledge, Ma, what, Laka, for you, Min, from, Allah, Allah, Min, of, Waliyin, a protector, Wala, and not, Nasirun, a helper. Explanation of this verse: This verse addresses the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and inform him that the Jews and the Christians will not be pleased with him until he follows their religion. It highlights the unwillingness of some people to accept the message of Islam and the Prophet Muhammad as the final messenger. The verse instructs the Prophet to affirm the guidance of Allah as the only true guidance. It emphasizes that adhering to the guidance of Allah is the most important thing, even if it means displeasing those who reject it. The Prophet is warned against following the desire of Jews and Christians after receiving knowledge of the truth. Doing so would result in losing Allah's protection and support, as Allah does not assist those who deviate from His guidance. Reason for the revelation of this verse: This verse was revealed to prepare the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, for the rejection and the oppositions he would face from the Jews and Christian in his mission to convey the message of Islam. It served as a reminder to prioritize adherence to the guidance of Allah over seeking approval from those who oppose the truth. Additionally, it reinforces the importance of steadfastness and reliance on Allah in the face of adversity.